told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
After work.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you
Birthday girl.
What did you order? Nothing, I don't know what to order. What do you guys want? Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Everyone say cheese. You're making a video picture.
Miss Napa.
Paparazzi everywhere.
Okay, let's say happy birthday, Stella. Happy birthday, Stella. Happy birthday, Stella. Okay. 1, 2, go. Happy birthday.
One more.
Okay, one more. 1, 2, go. Happy birthday, Stella.
don't understand the pain of pain. You don't ever wanna get me wrong. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come up this way.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being.
I just got a package from Temu. I've been sleeping all day, it's my off day. So I want us to unbox this package together. Ooh, so many things. So let's start with this one. Eyelashes adhesive. I've been using this, which is actually wrong. Let's open it and see what is inside. So this is what it looks like. How is this eyelashes glue? Oh, so it has an ink. Can you see that? Black ink coming out aside. Next is this wig cap, whatever. But I actually ordered for black. I don't know why they brought this one. This is actually not what I expected. For people who use the system, like stay on the computer for long hours, it actually protects your eyes. So let's see. I'm gonna wear it. Oh, this is socks, winter socks, very, very thick. But why is it tiny? Why is it tiny? It's so tiny. My leg's going to enter here. But anyways, I ordered it in different colors, like different colors in one pack. So this is, can you imagine? So it's torn already. That's one thing about Temu I don't like. So this is like a winter night wear. This is purple. I wonder why it's very short, because I'm not that short. I'm not short. So I wonder why it's not long. I was thinking it would be long, but see, it's short. I don't know. Yeah, can you see that, guys? So yeah, it's a two-piece winter nightwear. You guys know how much I love big earrings that are colorful, and decided to get it different colors. Next, we are going to see, this is for, this is like for your eyebrow. Yeah, eyebrow, for your eyebrow cap. I got a wig cap for the wig I got. It's very small. No, it's not small. So this is the wig cap, and then I wear the wig. Let me just wear the wig and see. I don't even know where I'm even wearing a wig. Like, it's really cold, and you know I'm on low cut. Sometimes I cannot handle the cold on my head. I don't even know what this is. Sorry. Oh, it's a jumpsuit made from different colors. Got of many colors that my mama saw for me. I saw it and I liked it. I was thinking it would be thicker than this, but it's not thick. It's just like an ordinary jumpsuit. The material is not thick, but it's beautiful. I like it. So I got pegs. Wow, what is this? What kind of peg is this? It's so tiny. My goodness, I've not seen pegs this tiny before in my life. I saw it on Temu and I was thinking it's normal peg, like normal peg for cloth. Can you, like what the heck am I gonna do with this? trying to do my nails here, but it's too expensive, so I decided to get these nails on Temu. I was thinking they are long nails, but they are very short. See, different colors, but they are very short. I prefer long nails. I just like long nails, or not too short nails. Something here. Reading out. Okay, so this is like a top, like a crop top that I can wear inside before wearing a jacket. I've been looking for all means to try to dress okay, but not too loud and not too expensive. So I got these. I'm really not okay with the material. The materials are not, they are already looking faded. They are not catchy. So I got blue, I got coffee color, I got pink. Can you see that? It's very short. This is yeah, what color is this? This is like light orange. Ox blood. Yeah. So ooh, I got the leather pants. I already have the leather jacket over there. So I already have the leather jacket, and I was looking for the leather pants. So finally I got it. So I can twin. And they're all affordable. Just not okay with this wig though, but it's okay. Learned my lesson. So yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that that's amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a dawn, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my core. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand anything. You don't ever wanna get me. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,